Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Comenity app to pay online without fees. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS users, go to the App Store. For Android users, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Comenity. Press the search button on your keyboard. Look for the Comenity app in the search results. Ensure the app is from Comenity Capital Bank. Tap on the app icon to select it. On the app page, click on the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Comenity app. You may be prompted to allow permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions. Log in with your existing Comenity account details. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. After logging in, navigate to the Payment section. Select the option to pay your bill online. Enter the required payment details. Review your information for accuracy. Confirm the payment to complete the transaction. You have now successfully downloaded the Comenity app and paid your bill online without fees. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.